celebrates Wednesday as Israel's Memorial Day, which is marked not only by Israeli Jews, but also by the Druze community and others in the country. Over 400 Druze have fallen in the course of their service in the various branches of the Israel Defense Forces. Shai Ben Ari was in the village of Chofesh yesterday to speak with the bereaved relatives of Druze soldiers.
Chofesh is a Druze village in Israel's northern Galilee district. The surroundings are peaceful and scenic, but the mood here is somber these days as Wednesday, Israeli Memorial Day, approaches. One of the factors that makes the Druze minority unique among Israel's non-Jewish citizens is the willingness of its members to enlist in the IDF. We are here at the military cemetery in Chofesh. 31 people are buried here. Their graves serve as solemn reminders of the price paid by the residents of this village, as well as the Druze community as a whole, for their loyalty to the state of Israel. Faris Muhammad is Master Sergeant of the Sword Battalion, an IDF combat force originally known as the Minorities Unit. Many Jewish soldiers still serve in the unit to this day, which is often found on the front lines.
Every Memorial Day reawakens it all and reminds us of the difficult moments that we experienced together on the days when the soldiers fell in combat. There is one fallen soldier who is constantly in my thoughts, Sameh Hussein, who is buried here and was killed in combat in Gaza on the 23rd of November 2000. Samer's older brother, Nizar, is my best friend. On the day Samer enlisted, he chose to volunteer for a challenging combat service in the Sword Battalion. Nizar told me to watch over him. Samer came to us, but to my dismay, I wasn't able to keep him safe. I brought him back in a coffin, something we didn't want to happen, and that is still with me today.
Chofesh was also home to one of the true heroes of the Israeli Jewish community, Colonel Nabi Meri, who was killed in combat in the Gaza Strip in 1996, on his first day as deputy commander of the Gaza Division. This commemorative chamber is dedicated to Nabi, who many Israeli Jews today are named after.
When he enlisted, he asked to join the paratroop brigade. Until then, the Druze would only serve in the minority unit. And he in fact broke the barrier, and today it's completely different. Druze serve in all units of the IDF. Many people from Israel and abroad, school students, prospective army recruits, come here, and cadets from the IDF's officer course often come to write papers on the image of the officer, taking Nabi as an example.
Considering the significant contribution of the Druze community to the security of the State of Israel, some are surprised that true equality continues to evade them.
Druze communities do not enjoy the same status as Jewish ones. We encounter many obstacles in the way of municipal planning and construction. We are Israelis just like all other Israelis. There is no reason an Israeli living in Tel Aviv should enjoy all of the rights and privileges, while a Druze who is proud to be Israeli receives less.
Regardless of political realities, memorial services will be duly marked on Wednesday.